Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when AirDrop not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general, and in the general you need to find AirDrop. So here you can see it, AirDrop, just open it. Now you just need to check if you choose everyone, so you don't choose receiving off or contacts only, so just choose everyone, and now you will have access for receiving files from everyone with iOS. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. And also, if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to the general again, just find here software update and just try to update your iPhone. If you have here available update, just tap on download and install them and wait until your iPhone will successfully update. So if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the general again and just choose here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.